Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Hi guys, today's topic is something every English learner needs.
Yes, because many people understand English,
But when it's time to introduce themselves, they feel nervous.
they don't know what to say.
Or they say too much and get confused.
So today, we'll teach you the correct, simple and confident way to introduce yourself in English. Now let's talk about why introduction is important.
Anna, where do people usually introduce themselves?
In interviews, offices, schools, meetings, and even online calls.
Your introduction creates your first impression.
And a good introduction makes you sound confident.
So let's learn it step by step.
Now let's talk about basic self-introduction. Let's start with a very simple introduction.
Yes, something anyone can use.
Hi, my name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. My name is Ryan.
I'm from India.
I'm from India too.
I work as a teacher.
And I work as a video editor.
That's it. Clear and simple.
No big words, no pressure.
Now let's talk about simple introduction format.
So a correct introduction has just 3 parts.
First, your name.
Second, where you're from.
Third, what you do.
Example?
Hi, my name is Anna. I'm from Delhi. I work as an English teacher.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about formal introduction, interview style.
Now let's try a formal situation.
Like a job interview.
Good morning. My name is Ryan Kumar.
Good morning, Ryan. Please go ahead.
I'm from Mumbai and I recently completed my graduation.
Okay.
Currently, I'm working as a video editor and I'm excited about this opportunity.
That sounds professional and confident. Now let's talk about casual introduction.
Now let's make it casual.
Like meeting someone for the first time.
Hey, I'm Anna.
Hi, Anna. I'm Ryan.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pune. What about you?
I'm from Delhi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Let's talk about mistakes people make.
Mistake 1. Speaking too fast.
Mistake 2, memorizing long sentences.
Mistake 3. Wrong grammar. Like
I belong to Delhi.
wrong. Correct. I'm from Delhi.
Now let's talk about daily practice tip.
Here's how you can practice daily.
Stand in front of a mirror.
Say your introduction in 3 sentences.
Record your voice on your phone.
Just 5 minutes a day makes a big difference. If this video helped you,
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
in the next video, we'll practice English introductions for interviews and phone calls.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking English.
See you in the next video.